In our poster, we describe the most successful rules and recommendations for information design and dashboarding. And in this video, I talk about the use of visual tables. Visual tables are very popular. Normally, if we once introduce them into a company, probably 99% of the company are really using them. And I like to show you why. That's why I have a look. That's a normal structure of a table. We have a title, we have columns, rows, data, the results area, and then below probably comments or the footer area. And what we now can do is that we add, for example, microcharts and actual charts into that. And this combination, having the deepness of the table plus the visual highlights within the chart or the microcharts, this is really an added value to your reports. How could that look like? What are the elements we integrate as microcharts? That's the same. We need to select depending on our message we like to deliver. So if we use a pie chart, that's for the proportion part to whole comparison. This is very strong within the pie chart. The columns, if you really like to see the course, you compare, let's say March to April, you want to look at this precisely, then you go for the column chart or you go for the line chart. And the line chart, this is probably only the case if you like to see the trend. It's not really the precise values as in the course. And then it could look like this. For example, here you have the table and then you have these arguments. Okay, what is the proportion of each city here? The same, then the development over time in the course, you really can precisely compare. You see, okay, what's the first, second month, etc. And here in the last one, it's just the trend. How do they perform over time? Was the starting better, or is it in the end an improvement? So just to see this timely manner. And of course, what we can also do, we can integrate charts, and that's what we do here. So really focus on the outliers. How's the performance in comparison to a specific value here? Delta to previous year. You see it in absolute terms. You can also do it in percentage terms. That there you might change it a little bit so that the notation is slightly different. Of course, you can also combine it and show absolute and percentage values. And if you need a different notation that you're saying, okay, thick and thin bars is not enough here, then you can also do something like those needle or pin charts, that you have a stronger differentiation between the absolute and the percentage values. And of course, as we've seen the structure before, you can combine both the microcharts and the charts within such a table. As I said before, if we introduce such visual tables in a company, they really like it, they strongly use it. So I hope that it's also beneficial for you in your reporting.